EdShed. EdShed in the house with the E Type. Right, guys, I just say, I got tissue paper in my nose because the crap. I can't wear goggles, my glasses steam up. And when I've been doing this grinding here, I've had to do something, so that's why I blocked my nose up. But yeah, so from that point of view, guys, we've still got the sunroof side, but we're going to get the screen pillars and the screen apertures. We've got a bit of grinding to do here to get this cleaned up. We've got to peel this back a bit, make it a little more pronounced, and then we'll try again with the screen. But we are into the dilemma where camera cover's on and fuel supply, and I'm going to try and start it. I know it's over. I don't know where it is, but I know it's here. Ah, God. You have no idea, guys. This is not fun. I found one of these, which I'm going to use. I also found one of the wiper things which I'm going to use. But I want to see whether this is going to work first. I haven't put any of the gaskets on it yet, any O-rings or anything like that. This is just a test fit for them. So I just want to see whether it's going to work. Okay. So you've got this right here. Now I've got a problem with the breather, so if this is still recording and you're getting any of this, then I've got to sort the breather pipe out, because that's giving me some earache. That's not going to work. Right, so for all the people who are worried about me doing it wrong and I'm bodging it, look away, look away, look away, Dixieland. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 Okay, guys, there we go. That'll give us a pedal feed. We can feed it out of a can. We're going to find a bracket for the because we're using electronic ignition here, so we're going to find a bracket for this little puppy. Live, we need a live from the thing, we need a live start. We'll change the plugs. And I think it should be ready to go, but we'll see, we'll see. We'll see, guys, we'll see. Not really fast whether yes, I don't like it or not. If you don't like it, you have to watch. This is our da 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 dee 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 da doo 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 da da doo. I was going to say they may not see the armies. They may not see it. So what do you think? It should like it'd be like that one. Alright, there's like that one. So let's go with that one, I reckon. There's two to there. Like because the motor goes just that one, it's a small head to there. Then you've got that one. These are all the things you guys actually got a 2-speed wiper motor. I have a Series 3 on it, so I have an XA40, I think, so wipers should be pretty good, I think. Certainly more efficient than the old Lucas Prince of Darkness idea. So I'm going to say that that's my plate. Am I happy with that? You're happy with that? Anyway guys, so I'm going to say now, I've had enough. I've had enough, I've done my bit. I don't want to be doing any welding. I'm not going to do any welding. But I think the screen by tomorrow, aperture, should be, I know the people are going to be going, this. But then this is where the screen does fit in. So that's going to have to be welded. So I don't know about this. I don't know what to do here. I'll do some here. I'll probably chop this out, put a new piece in there. I might try and keep the original out a little. And I'll put a new piece at the top there. And I'm going to not do anything along that top edge. But don't worry about anything. This has got to come out of it. This needs to come. I'll edge this out with a pair of pliers and grind them off. So we'll get a better fashion script. But yeah. Guys, come on. I'm doing pretty good when I give my model of the world. It's alright for you lot, because you ain't here doing it. So let's do it this way. I want to hear it run. Don't you want to hear it run? I do. So that's tomorrow. Hopefully we'll get it running tomorrow. And or not to say running, but we might get her firing anyway. Which I think she will, and I think she'll be fine. So I said anyway, talk to you soon. Hope you enjoyed it, and all I can say is coming from the EdShed, rough.